Father God, your son again. Mavado SON returns to court in February. It's over a year now since the youth has been incarcerated. So the teenage son of dancehall DJ David Brooks, more popularly known as Mavado, will return to the Supreme Court on the 18th of February 2020 to answer to murder charges. The teenager is currently being held in a juvenile detention center in Kingston without bail. Detectives had reportedly been interested in speaking with Mavado about the case, but the singer is currently in the United States, where he is a legal permanent resident. Last year, Mavado's son was charged jointly with 23-year-old Andre Hines for the June 5, 2018 murder of Lorenzo Thomas, otherwise called Israel or Chulups, in Cassava Peace, St. Andrew. Both were charged with conspiracy to murder, arson, shooting with intent, and illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. The teenager had also been accused of giving his co-accused, Hines, an order to behead Thomas. Reports were that a witness statement given to the police had alleged that Mavado's son gave the instruction, quote, "Remember the boss want him head," end quote, the juvenile allegedly said to Hines. The statement further alleged that Hines attempted to carry out the order but only managed to partially sever Thomas's head, and the teenager denied the allegations when he appeared in the corporate era criminal court last year. Yeah, peeps, so that's the situation with Mavado. Very unfortunate situation, whichever way you look on it. His son has been arrested and incarcerated from last year, June, them time. You understand? You not see him father yet, and them something there. His father flew out like a couple of hours after the murder would have occurred based on him flight date. Me nah say, you understand me? I just say him to leave the island, say him have some shows. I don't know if my father is guilty of anything, but me know so the police them want to talk to him. Me just know so when him come back here, them probably go and arrest him, because they want to talk to him from a long time.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.